Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to be showing you how to create this gorgeous drag marble rainbow and clouds mani. I am absolutely loving how this has turned out. As always, all the details and links to the products I've used in today's video will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So these are the polishes that I'm using to create the rainbow. So you've got Hollywood, Me Lava, Yellow Caution, Acid Green, Neon Prince, Electric Island and Diva. So I've already gone ahead and applied 2 coats of this gel polish, which is called Sea Blue. And then with a small dotting tool, I am just going to be putting the colours across the nail like so. So I'm not curing this with every single layer that I am putting on. So obviously you want to be a little bit careful so you don't overly muddy the colours together. Obviously I'm using a dotting tool. I just personally found that a little bit easier, but if you are more sort of comfortable with a brush, then obviously you use your favourite brush to apply these colours. It's totally up to you. As you can see, because you're working with gels, you can take your time. You don't have to rush it, and they just sort of nicely blend together. So I absolutely love it when I get to see rainbows in the sky, even though it's obviously come after some rain, and obviously nobody likes to have rain, but when you see a rainbow in the sky, oh, it's just so beautiful. And I remember as a child, I don't know if you've done the same, but like when you saw the rainbow and you were kind of trying to work out if you could go and be at the end, like the end of one of the rainbows. Did you do the same, or did you think the same? Let me know in the comments box below. So now all of the colours have been applied. You're still not going to be curing this at just yet, because you obviously need to drag through the colours. So I'm just using actually a detail brush, and I'm just putting sort of lines going through the nail, and it's just dragging the colours through each other, which is really nice. So I've gone over here where the red was, and really I shouldn't have. I should have just stopped at the red line, but I mean it doesn't matter, because I literally just got like a cotton wool bud and some like isopropyl alcohol and just cleaned it up before I cured it. So that, you know, that's what you can do. But how awesome does that look? I mean, rainbows are beautiful anyway, but you know, I really loved how this turned out. And then I am using a white polish. This is French white, and I'm adding the clouds. So I'm just using like a dotting tool and just making a rough cloud at the bottom of the rainbow. And then you'd go and cure that in your lamp. And then for the other nails, again, I'm just doing some clouds, so just sort of putting them a bit randomly, and you know, I'm trying to remove air bubbles as I go, but I know I've missed some. Yeah, so this part is really easy. You just literally just dabbing the paint around and moving it around to look like a cloud. And then all that's left to do is to apply your top coat. So I'm using their No Wipe Matte Top Coat. Obviously, if you don't like matte finish, then you can just use a glossy. It's totally fine. So you just want to apply a nice even layer. Make sure that you avoid getting it on your skin, and make sure that you always like wipe the free edge. And this is the end look. So I was so happy with how it turned out. I just think it's super pretty. I love the brightness of the colours of the rainbow. And this was super easy to do, and I would love to see your recreations. So obviously Kiki London's Instagram details are on screen, so tag them in if you do decide to recreate any of the designs that I create here on their YouTube channel, and tag me in also at Gelulicious. I would love to see your recreations too. So thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.